Tired of walking for ages in Minecraft? This video shows you exactly how to link your Nether portals for fast travel. First, find the coordinates of your overworld location where you want your second portal to be. Pay close attention to the X and Z coordinates displayed on your screen. Now, divide both the X and Z coordinates of your overworld location by 8. The Nether is 1/8 the size of the overworld. Head to the Nether and travel to the newly calculated X and Z coordinates. Build a Nether portal at these exact coordinates. The Y coordinate, or height, doesn't matter as much, but try to avoid building it to high or low. Next, return to the overworld portal you initially used. Now, when you step through your original overworld portal, it should link to the Nether portal you built using the divided coordinates. This will take you to your desired overworld location, saving you tons of travel time. Congratulations! You have now successfully linked your Nether portals for fast travel. Make sure to like and subscribe for more Minecraft tips and tricks.